I would like to emphasize that Slovenia is a very important partner of the Hungarian presidency program, and so there are some important points where we did get and we are expecting more support and assistance. First, with the Western Balkans and the enlargement, we consider and acknowledge Slovenia as one of the key countries which has a special expertise in that issue, and we need this. We started the consultation at working and political level as well, in all levels. As you know, we intensified very much the relationship with Slovenia in the last few months. The Prime Minister has been here, the Foreign Minister has been here, and regular visits back and forth in Budapest and Ljubljana. We find very important the Slovenian contribution to the Danube strategy. There is a very intelligent approach on behalf of Slovenia. That's how can we make functional and operational energy policy. We have a good cooperation. We would like to upstage. And of course, there are many important points, and therefore we are very much open and ready to come forward with that. As far as our cultural program concerned, we have a very rich and broad cultural program here in Ljubljana as well, and in most of the member states. Not all, but most of the member states. This cultural program is based on the human face of Europe and on the cultural complexity that we would like to show. That's not only on the classical tradition, but even we would like to bring to every stratum of the society. We find it as a target group of the youngsters, the popular culture, and many other things we would like to promote and boost here in Ljubljana and everywhere. The first event is a very important and very noble event. We would like to, we are going to organize with Anunciada and with the Spanish presidency here. That will be the Ferenc Liszt concert under patronage of the Spanish and Hungarian, and contribution of the Belgian trio. Ferenc Liszt was a Hungarian musician and composer, but he was a true European person. He was a person who was born in Hungary but grown up in many other countries. He spoke better German and French than Hungarian in his life. However, he was a very committed Hungarian. He lived throughout Europe, almost in every country, including Spain, Britain, mostly in Paris and in Rome and in Budapest, but in many other countries. He visited even Slovenia, at that time Austrian Hungary, but Slovenia, Rogaška Slatina. He gave a very famous and important concert here in 1846. And we have an exhibition here, you can see at the first floor. You can see, and in the whole half year, it's to some extent under the motto of Ferenc Liszt, and the first important event will take place on 19th of January in Philharmonia, and you all are warmly welcome and invited to that event. That's the concert, which shows how connects Liszt, Ferenc Liszt, the different European countries and cultural heritage and things. But of course we are going to show many different things. Ballet and popular music and folk dance and many other things we are planning to provide you to show that's how complex and interesting of the culture. And we would like to put an emphasis not on the Hungarian culture, of course we promote as well, but much more those cultural events and performances which shows this interdependence, cultural interdependencies and interrelations, and between Hungary and Slovenia, between Hungary and other countries, or many other countries all together. That's the short summary I wanted to tell you. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Thank you.